Ya kapi content yamakhorekwale labafethu hayi iyasha.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. I will not sympathize with these people because this is what they've been waiting for. They were told to leave before the 30th of June, but they refused. They said they are waiting for amathonsabans. Iwona amathonsabans lawo bebewalindile. Manje sekufanele ukuthi isikhale sisympathize abantu abastubborn. Angithi bona bebe-stubborn bethi abasabi muntu. They are not going anywhere. These are the results of undermining the citizens. And where are those people who have been misleading them, telling them that South Africa is for all Africans? Where are they now? This was supposed to be a lesson to them that you must never trust a politician. They misled them. They told them to find creative ways to come to this country. They are here now. They are not protecting them. Foreigners are all over the country sleeping on the streets with their children. Abo Malema are nowhere to be seen. Pan-Africanism is nowhere to be seen to help these people, but they've been lying to them. It's so sad, but there's nothing we can do. They must go back to their countries and fight for their rights in their own countries. That's the only way.
The situation is getting a little bit out of hand.
Home. Yes, he's giving. Bambi.
He is a criminal. He has brought himself to the police.
Yes. Akaphumi.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, akaboshwe. Ngithi uzela akaboshwe. Sifuna eboshwe.
You guys are not doing it.
Khona umuntu la ozoya foreign ebale police station. Funa le police station. Wazibala. Who's your friend inside? Who's your friend here?
Hey man,
why did you open?
You were open. How did we get in? How did we get in?
Let's try it.
We wanted to buy water. All the tap shops must be closed. Why are you still South
Laila Monti.
Why are you
Mashanga lakhona balekela la elokuzaneni. Police station.
You are going to close.
Ngeke phela. Abahambi.
You will close.
Masixhaphaza, matopi.
Ovuleleni, why did you open? These are kind of police we need in this country, patriotic police. He is on the side of the community asking the same question, why did you open? And when they thought Amaphoyisa would be on their side forever, they are forgetting that these are South Africans. These are community members. Nabo, I country yabo le. They are forgetting that blood is thicker than water. Amaphepha wona sizowabuza ngenkani whether ugovernment uyathanda noma akathandi, but amaphepha wona siyafuna ukuwabona. Bazothi bona ngoba bengawenza umsebenzi bese bethi nathi asingawenzi, sizowenza ke thina. Sizobenzela ke thina umsebenzi.
Okay, siyaqhubeka la. Enye container amakhwerekwere siyayivala umuntu uyayivula. Sesiyidlala ke ngezandla zethu manje. Siyasebenza la dala. Siyivala ngezethu izandla manje.
Sinabanye okhiya tuvale ngabo la ngufuna.
Uthanda ukhiye baba.
Letha abanye. Lo uvula lo ukhiya, yabona lokutshengisa.
Why sithi valane nivule nina? La. Angithi sithe valane, savala niyavula mangabe sesihambini inkinga yenu.
Fikelele ubanele ngithile nivule munye.
Wenzeni?
Ukho la mjita ndofike lapho ngithile nivule.
Uthe vula wena. Angithi bekuvaliwe kusemini uyabona ukuthi kuvaliwe. Why
phela asikaqedisha u10 minutes sila.
Amadoda asizukudlala nina phela. Uyazwa boti? Asingadlali nina. Mangabe sithi yenzani kanje hloniphana anizukusuka le ngaphandle nizozenzela la. Ngiyangizwa le container le asifuni niphinde nivule futhi. Angithi uyazwa hambani. Uyazwa boti?
Mana ake sibuze la uzothatha nendeze.
Ahambe nazo manje.
Hambani nje, hambani. Yabo. Anikwazi ukusuka le nizokwenza amasaluni la. Hambani.
Uyavula lo khiya wami la. Uyothi ukhiya ngiyanga la. Nazo ikhiya. Ngifuna abanye okhiya labo vala ngabo lapha eminyango. Awuvana ngale ngithi kuphela.
Wait, nike ikhiya.
Letha abanye okhiya abovula. Hayi lokho
asifuni la sithi mangabe sithi valani nina niyavula ngoba kuzobe ngathi silwanana asilwi nani asinizondi ama-saloon are reserved for South Africans. We are understandable. Asilwi nani asinizondi futhi uyezwa. Yeah, so sacela ukuthi nisilalele uma ngabe sifika sithi yenzani kanje please silaleleni bafowethu. Uyezwa. Kulungile ke futhi sibala.
Sifune grind amaphoyisa asilekelele grind lesitolo kuvula amaphuma impahla zamaPakistan amaSomali ngeke phela waphume njalo umphakathi abahambe eLemontville Yeke lo dotu udonga ngusho lo siwenza manje iwona ke la Lemontville abahambi idola ayiphele hostolo la operate saphela sidayisente ayibolile fusek sidwala amasimbi enje.
Of course sithola ukubuhlungu kakhulu we find that there is a child of 4 years old and then malume wakhe ongumusa who resides here. Umusa una 40 something years old apparently lo abamcashisile ongasiwa la ngathi bekaseka sendleleni yokuthi aphume njengoba bebabakhipha so he then asaphuma gave them ama-biscuit Musa gave to the 4-year-old. So then kwahlanga lapho they quickly took them to a clinic. Then mabafika clinic vele immediately baba declare abantwana ukuthi base bashile emhlabeni. So we are yet, like you have said, to hear from umthetho ukuthi indeed yiwo lama biscuit abulele abantwana. Sibhlungu kakhulu because because we are leaders, Caesar, because we are community members, Caesar, because nothing abazali, we don't wish it for anyone else.
So this is what we have to tolerate as a community, to stay with people abasibulalayo ababulala ingane zethu. Why is the government not building refugee camps for these people? Why are they forcing them to us? And I was so surprised to hear Premier with KZN, those who are legally must go back to the community. Which community? The same community esho ukuthi ayisabafunda abantu. Kusho ukuthi bona bafuna kuliwe, bafuna ukuthi kuze kuchitheke igazi ngoba phela bayabona ukuthi i-community ayibafunda abantu. Why are they not taking them to their own communities? Why are they forcing them to us? Do we know these people? Premier uzuyasho ukuthi they must be integrated back to the community. Which community? The same community labantu bayasho bathi bayashaya kodwa ke nabo ngoba bazilima vele bazovuma ukubuyela kwi-community. Where are they going to work? Because imisebenzi yonke yama-South Africans. Even their children, where are they going to school? Which school are they going to use? How can the government force us to stay with people we don't want to stay with? No, it's not fair. Whether these people are legally or illegally, we don't want them anymore in our communities. If our government wants these people to continue to stay in South Africa, they must build refugee camps for them. Abantu abasibulalayo, abantu ababulala ingane zethu, ibona isiforced ukuthi sihlale nabo emphakathini yethu, noma sesisho ukuthi asisabafunda abantu. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.